Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Mana is also pushing higher here. Of course, it could very well be that all of this is still part of a correction here, what we're doing here with this sort of higher high, because it topped in 3 waves only. So that's still, as you can clearly see, this is a 3-wave top, so it can still be part of a larger correction. However, I'm going to change the count slightly. I don't think we'll necessarily see these green boxes here. That would have provided another new entry point in addition to the previous ones that we had here on the chart. I'm going to take them off now because I don't think they are relevant any longer, because there's no point keeping a support level on the box if it's not relevant anymore. In my opinion, I mean, this could, again, it could still be an overshooting B wave here. But the way I'm going to label it now, let me just take that out and just rethink quickly. So we already talked in the previous video about this. Could have been a wave 4, here a 5, probably off 3, and that we would come down in a wave 4. Now, that's pretty much still where we are, right? It's just that this wave 5 seems to be extending a bit higher. The difficulty with the current structure is that, of course, the wave 4 could have been here, ended here, and then we're just moving up now in an ending diagonal already in the 5, or I can find a way to label it as a running flat. Now, running flats are dangerous patterns. They are dangerous because they don't really give you an edge in entering, and they are not patterns I prefer to trade necessarily, because the ideal scenario is that you make a C wave below the low of the A wave. Now again, where did we? Let me just let me just think where I had the. Oh yeah, having the wave 4 possibly here, and then still being in a wave 5 rally, that would align it with some of the other coins pretty well. I think that is where we are. That's how I have to assume it. We then had here in this wave 4 an A, B, and C possibly as a running flat, or yeah, no, that's fine, or a WXY. It doesn't really matter too much if it was an ABC or a WXY. A B, yeah, okay, could be an ABC, but with a very short C wave then, which is also not ideal, which is why it would still be great to get that lower wave 4, but it's also time to finally finish off this 5th wave. We want to get it done, right? And now a break above the most recent high here, a substantial break, would tell us that probably this wave 1 is on, or this wave 5 is ongoing. So that would be, well, it would need to be a move above 84.3 cents. The thing is, it topped basically in 3 waves. You can clearly see that. Now, topping in 3 waves means it's either a corrective pattern like a B wave, or we could really be in this wave 5, but that it's a diagonal, so that this here was a wave 1 of a 5. This might be the wave 2. Can still go a bit lower than a 3, 4, 5. And relevant support here, oops, take that out. Relevant support here for the micro setup here in the wave 2 is the 73.6 cent level. So, it might be worth, if you want to trade this long, if we come down into this area again around 73.6, maybe 75.8, or 77.4, and these are sort of the 3 key support levels for a wave 2, where if we touch that once more, might be worth to trade the wave 3 if you want to do so, but this is the relevant support area. Going below 73.6 would dramatically increase the probabilities that this only topped in a B wave, and we are going to see another drop down that will go maybe into this support region here around 61.5 cents. So this will certainly be support between those previous lows as a wider support area. Often you get a wave 4, if it is still ongoing, which could be, this could still be a large A overshooting B wave and C down. They tend to come back to the previous wave 4 levels. So that's how I see Matic. Still, what a lot of people wait for, I think, is this larger wave 2. That's also where I will start to scale in for a lot of altcoins. This could still go on for a while. Yeah, absolutely. I'm not going to lie to you. It can still go on for a while. But bear in mind, we're also soon going to approach sort of the $1 region. And that should be quite decent resistance there around the $1 level. But yeah, that's sort of where we are currently with Mana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.